What happens when you stop reaching out? When you stop chasing, stop calling, stop texting? Does she forget you, or does she suddenly start to notice your absence? Here's the paradox most men don't understand. When you withdraw your energy, when you stop giving your attention freely, a woman doesn't just ignore it, she feels it. She notices the silence, and in that silence, her mind begins to wander. The Stoics taught us that detachment is strength. By stepping back, you regain control, not only over yourself, but over how others respond to you. And in this video, we're going to uncover exactly what goes through a woman's mind when you stop trying to contact her, and why silence can be the most powerful message of all. 1. Why men chase and women pull away. Men seek certainty, constant texting, calling, but this reveals neediness. Need nothing, and you will command everything. When you stop chasing, you stop supplying free validation. 2. The psychology of silence. Silence means space, which triggers curiosity. The brain craves what's taken away. Why women notice absence more than presence. Stoicism said, "Control what you give, not what you expect." 3. Her first emotional response. Stage 1, relief. Finally, he stopped chasing. Stage 2, curiosity. Why isn't he reaching out anymore? Stage 3, ego conflict. Does he not want me anymore? Stage 4, re-evaluation. Maybe he's stronger than I thought. 4. Why distance creates desire. Scarcity increases value. Mystery stimulates imagination. Women fantasize more in silence than in constant contact. 5. Common male mistakes. Breaking silence too soon. Posting desperation on social media. Over-explaining absence. Stoic response. Stay calm. Live fully. Remain unbothered. 6. How to use silence with Stoic wisdom. Silence must be paired with action. Self-improvement, goals, fitness, discipline. By becoming better, silence transforms from waiting game into magnetism. 7. Her long-term response. Women begin to test small texts, random calls. Why she checks your presence indirectly. Social media, mutual friends, silence makes her respect you. 8. When she doesn't come back. Not every woman will return, but the win is you mastered detachment. You gained freedom, self-respect, and peace. Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." 9. How to remain unshakable. Discipline, journaling, fitness, meditation. Practice voluntary discomfort. Stoic exercise. This makes you emotionally unbothered by absence. A woman's response to your silence is not the real victory. The victory is who you become when you stop chasing. You stop begging, stop seeking, and start living. Some women will come back, curious and intrigued. Others won't. But either way, you remain unmoved. Because as the Stoics knew, the man who needs nothing attracts everything. So stop trying to contact her. Reclaim your time, your power, and your peace. And remember, sometimes the loudest message you can send is silence.